They're hot, they're golden, they're impossible to resist, crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside, and called French fries. But what if everything you think you know about them is, well, a little bit fried? This is a story of frozen rivers, war confusion, and a case of culinary mistaken identity that stuck around for over a century. And it just might change the way you look at your next batch of fries. Welcome to Once Upon a Dish, where something delicious happened. Hit that subscribe button to uncover more edible legends, one dish at a time. Long before fast food, ketchup packets and deep fryers, there were Belgian villagers living along the River Meuse. Fish was life. They caught it, fried it, and served it hot over open fires. But in winter, the river froze solid. No fish, no food. So, they got creative. They took potatoes, cheap, plentiful, and sliced them like little fish. Then they fried them in animal fat, just like they did with trout. The result? Crispy, golden, addictive. The very first fried potatoes, what we now know as fries, were born, not in Paris, not in Lyon, but in a humble Belgian village where cold rivers met hot oil. Fast forward to 1917. World War I. American soldiers are stationed in Europe. They're cold, hungry. And then, salvation. A paper cone filled with sizzling fried potatoes. The locals speak French. The fries taste like heaven. So the Americans call them French fries. The name sticks. They go home, tell their families, open diners. And suddenly the whole world believes this fried treasure comes from France. Belgium, meanwhile, forgotten in the fog of war. The truth? Lost in translation. But Belgium never gave up. Today they serve fries in paper cones, drizzled in mayo, not ketchup. They've got fry museums. Dedicated fry stands called fritteries on almost every corner. In 2014, they even petitioned UNESCO to list Belgian fries as official cultural heritage. Because to them, fries aren't just a snack, they're history, ritual, pride. And if you've ever had the real thing, fresh from a Belgian frittery, you'll understand why. So, what's in a name? Today you'll find fries everywhere. From Canada's poutine to curly fries in California. Call them Belgian, call them French, call them whatever you want. Just know, the story behind them is richer than any dipping sauce. A dish shaped by winters, war, and a linguistic twist of fate. Now it's your turn to fry up some history. Got a killer French fry recipe? Double fried, oven baked, duck fat only? Drop it in the comments below. We want to try it. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This was Once Upon a Dish, where something delicious happened.
Bon appétit!